The Miming Cat Family News. Here's about the 7.3 earthquake in Mexico. News. Earthquake magnitude 7.3 struck Mexico coast. News. A powerful magnitude 7.3 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of southern Mexico on Friday, triggering a tsunami warning for parts of the Pacific. News. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, PhilVolVix, issued a tsunami warning after a magnitude 7.3 earthquake struck near the coast of Mexico. News. Little to no landsliding is expected, but liquefaction is estimated to be severe. USGS reported that mud wall and adobe block buildings are particularly vulnerable to the quake. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.